Hello everyone, my name is Rahul and welcome to my channel Rahul QA Labs. So in today's tutorial, we will be learning how to edit an issue. So after you raise an issue, if you want that you need to change something or you need to edit some fields into that issue, you can edit it as well. So let us see how we can edit an issue in Jira. So let us select some issue. So for that, see this link is there, issues. Click on the issues link. Okay, so as of now, whatever issues are present here, it is being listed out here. Suppose I will take this DEM2. Okay, so we will click on the issue number DEM-2 and the issue will be open in a new tab. Okay, so this is your issue that is already created issue. Now, suppose you want to edit this issue description. So you just have to click it out here. You can suppose build you have given it wrongly, so you can just edit this build environment you have given wrong. So you can give like pre-prod environment. You want to add any steps, so 6, you know, like as per whatever the changes you want, you can change it out here, and all when all the changes are done, you can just click on save. Okay, so see this description, whatever changes you have done, it is saved here. Now, after that, coming to the comment section. So these are the comments that you have put on this particular issue. Now you want to edit any particular comment. So just go to that comment. For example, you want to edit this comment. I will click on edit. This editing box will open. Some whatever comment you want to update, just update that and again click on save. So see, this comment is also updated. Now, coming to right hand side fields, assignee, you want to update assignee, click on here, search the name. Suppose I will select again my name. So assignee is changed here. Reporter you want to change, you can change the reporter from here. You want to change any of the labels, click on it. You can add any label. For example, demo I added, and that's it. See, demo got added. Similarly, components you want to edit, you can add any component out here. You want to change the priority, click on this, high, medium, low, whichever you want to edit. And similarly, other fields, you want to attach a epic link, you want to change the fixed version, you want to change the sprint number. So like DEM sprint 1, we have this sprint, I'll just change it to DEM sprint 1. So see, it got updated. Similarly, effect version. So like this is how you can edit an issue. So editing an issue is very easy in Jira, and you just have to click on that particular field and you can edit the issue. You can attach any, like uploading a file, or see all these other options are also there. Dropbox, Google Drive, if it is connected, you can upload it from here as well. Similarly, if you want to create a subtask under this particular issue, you can create a subtask. You just click on it. It will ask you what needs to be done. Suppose sample subtask. Okay. So as soon as you click on create, see that task is created. Now, if you click on that subtask, it will be showing you DEM5, which is under DEM2. So that is a sample subtask that got created under this particular issue. If you want to link any issue, you can link any issue. Apart from that, there are like you can add any applications. So like this, this is how you can edit a particular issue. And even you can edit this description as well. Website, suppose, you know, to just click on this tick and see the description also got updated. So this is how we edit an issue in Jira. I hope this is clear to you all. And if you have any questions, if you have any doubts, do put your comments, and I'll be happy to help you. So thank you very much for watching my video, and if you like the video, do subscribe my channel and keep sharing knowledge to others. Thank you very much. Bye bye.